Does he have a puff too? What's the puppy doing? You're goofy. What's the matter? Does he have a puff too? Oh, is he trying to steal yours? Get that puppy. Oh, I know. You're silly. Is his puff better than yours? Oh, he's got the better one, doesn't he? Trip, you're crazy. Oh, he's such a copycat, huh? You're gonna have to wash the mirrors. It's gonna have dog slime on it. Ew. What? Is there a puppy over there? Where's your puff? Hey, Trouble. Where's your puff? Where's your puffy pig? Don't eat that. Go get it. Go get the puff. Go get that puff. Over there. Oh, what's that over there? Look. Get it. You're goofy.
Available on the G Sedan, G Coupe, and G Convertible.
Munchie time.
Heighten your experience this summer.
That's a good boy.
Limited engagement summer event by August 31st to take advantage of our best offers of the year. Lease an Infiniti G Sedan for $379 per month or get 0% APR financing.
This is the boring part of the video. But he's still cute.
Return to 80s tech on Modern Marvels.
Trippa!
80s technology.
Tripperoonie! What a handsome boy! Are you pretty? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Good boy. Draft doggy. Trippa! Hey, Trip! What you doing? Come on! Good boy! Hi! Trip! I know you like TV, don't you?
But it's advertised as having only billions, because the concept of quintillion is too difficult to comprehend.
What's so interesting about this puzzle is that it's so
Hey!
take a moment to get inside of it and see exactly how it's put together.
The cube uses a central armature with 6 arms, 6 carefully shaped cubes interact with one another in the armature to form the 6 faces of the cube. This allows the sections to rotate independently.
You're cute. What are you doing? You're silly.
Some algorithms have revealed 22 moves, the fewest necessary to
Gonna land a nice cool tile, right?
and if you're a Rubik's Cube competition,
Hi.
or even blindfold.
Cool spot. Flop. Is it nice and cool? Ah. That's good, huh? It's a camera and you have to get used to it. Yeah. Say hi. Point. You're cute.